Hi Miss, nice to see you again. My name is Lukirambadarsi Dijaya. I am from class Technical Engineering E. In section 12, I will to present you for my datas about tell me what are the most dangerous job in the world. Give the reason and what is the most interesting job for you. Give the reason. Text in description, so stay tuned and keep watching. I think a dangerous job in the world is lumberjacks. Why lumberjacks? Because the only thing that can be said to be scarier than bringing down a heavy and tall tree is operating the machine used in making this a possibility. The job hazard is made visible when one will have to control and operate the machine while you are suspended in the air for a couple of minutes, perhaps hours. Bureau of Labor Statistics report that in 2016, log workers have the high rates of death when an aggregate death count of about 136 death out of 1,100 works at 91 report workplace. Most of these deaths occurred from equipment errors and falling from trees. The most interesting job for me being the teacher. Being the teacher is one noble job waiting the world. The teacher is truly the one that is answerable for the success of their student. These children grow up to be no matter they require and successful as they will be, and with their teachings, all the nice things in life, as well social life and education may be cited for several generations. The teaching job in Indonesia encompasses a pretty high level of security. Having a comfortable education is not enough to be an honest teacher. Well, manner and additionally fashion are the necessities that almost all individuals ought to consummate initial before truly applying to be a lecturer. Teaching children with power in making learning strategies that are apprehensive in additionally a crucial site.
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay? No more! Where the fuck are your parents? Who are your parents? I'm gonna call Child Protective Services. It's time to stop!
Thanks for attention, Miss. I hope you like my video. Sorry for all mistake. I will see you next time. Bye bye.